What's up guys, and welcome to Apple Education's daily tech tips. Now the last thing you want is a dirty MacBook screen, and MacBook screens can get really dirty because of a lot of smudge. Every time you touch the MacBook screen, you smudge your fingers, sweat, sometimes even dust. All those things can accumulate and make your MacBook screen dirty. So today I'll be showing you how to clean your MacBook screen and make it squeaky clean so it's more pleasant to work on. And so for this one, you need a cloth like this one, soft cloth. And then you also need a screen cleaner and an even softer microfiber cloth to apply the finishing touch. Now what you want to do is first of all find a soft surface. You can either place a towel on your workbench, on your desk, or you can use something like this rubber mat that I use on my desk. And then take your MacBook and place it with the screen just like that, with the screen facing up. Now you want to make sure it's at least 90 degrees so it can stay stable like that, and make sure this is a soft surface so it doesn't scratch the back of your MacBook. And then to see clearly, make sure you turn the brightness all the way down, or basically just switch off your MacBook before you start the process. So step one, take your cloth and take your screen cleaner and apply some of that screen cleaner onto the cloth. Now you can use any screen cleaner you want, you don't have to use this one, and I'll leave some recommendations down in the description below. Now you also want to avoid spraying onto the MacBook directly because some liquid will seep into the internal components and destroy your MacBook. So to be safe, just spray on the cloth itself. And then with the cloth damp, and take note, it's not wet, it's just damp. You can now start wiping your MacBook screen, and you want to wipe in one direction. So if you're wiping from left to right, make sure it's from left to right. And then you want to go all the way to the bottom of the screen. And then once you're done with that, you can start your vertical strokes. And make sure you get to all the corners of your MacBook. Then you can go back to the strokes. You want to wipe it several times in the different strokes until all the smudge and dirt gets from your screen. Now with that out of the way, you want to flip to a drier side of that cloth and then continue applying the same strokes. So left to right, top to bottom or bottom to top, and make sure you're gentle and not applying too much pressure on your screen. And then the very last step is to use the very soft microfiber cloth to completely dry your screen. And once you're done, your MacBook screen will be squeaky clean and extremely pleasant to work on. That's basically how to clean your MacBook's screen. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.